Hi, this is Brent with Kansas Hydrographics. We're going to run blue skulls today and show you how it acts. Get this in the water real quick. Talk to you a little bit about this print. It's a little bit bigger of a print, the size of about a silver dollar. The number is LS004A-2KH, and we call it blue skulls. We're going to be putting it on a white base today. It is a transparent and blue ink pattern. You could put a different color behind it, but you're going to kind of affect the blue ink in the print. If you try to do yellow, a yellow base, there's a good chance you would end up with green print, because blue and yellow make green. But I have a white version of this also with a white ink, which usually I put it on a black base, but you could do that on any darker color base as well. Kansas Hydrographics Activator. That's what it looks like. Everybody kind of knows how big a speed shape is if you're in this industry. That's, a hand. So it's, a full skull is about the palm of your hand. A little bit bigger processing area, maybe a little bit bigger parts. Alright, well, I appreciate your time. You can buy this on KansasHydrographics.com or eBay under seller name Draft461. That's DRAFT 461. See you guys next time.